Hello, my name is Crystal Lewis and my company is Black Unicorn Merchandising. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the exciting yet terrifying world of fashion. Did you know that nearly 80% of new clothing lines fail within the first 2 years? That means if 500 new brands launched in 2021, maybe 100 of them are still around today. New brand owners spin their wheels needlessly trying to learn how to make apparel instead of investing in their retail success strategies. And the whole time, opportunities are rolling right past them. Allow me to offer you an alternative scenario. Hire Black Unicorn Merchandising. Let me be your guide through the fashion industry. Let me help you sidestep common pitfalls new designers face, and just alleviate the stress of the overall design process. Imagine having a partner who not only understands these challenges, but has the skill set and the reliable supply chain needed to turn your ideas into opportunities. Head over to www.blackunicornmerch.com, fill out the questionnaire, and let's talk about how to start your clothing line the right way.